Hi everyone, welcome to Rado's Baking Lab. If you're looking for a delicious vegan and gluten-free chocolate cake recipe, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing a recipe that's easy to follow and absolutely amazing. First, we're going to start making this gluten-free chocolate cake. Get a bowl and toss in all the dry ingredients. Give them a good mix to make sure everything's combined. Next, we'll add the vegetable oil, vanilla extract, vinegar, and water. The oil and vanilla bring richness, and the vinegar helps to activate the baking soda. Give it all a good mix. Let's get this cake ready for the oven. Take a half-size baking tray, pour in the batter, and use a spatula to make sure it's spread out nice and evenly. Now, pop it into a preheated oven at 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Remember, this cake is quite fragile because it's gluten-free, so make sure it's fully baked before you take it out. Let's get started on that delicious chocolate ganache. Grab a pot, pour in the coconut milk and corn syrup, and bring it to a simmer. Pour the hot coconut milk mixture over the dark chocolate and mix until it's smooth and combined. Let it cool down before using. Now it's time for assembly. First, cut the cake into 4 even rectangles. Picture this. One of those cake rectangles becomes your base. Spread a nice even layer of melted dark chocolate right on top. To make things easier, grab a serving plate or a cake board to build your cake on. Place the chocolate-covered cake base right in the center. Time to use that delicious ganache. Fill a piping bag with it and create a smooth layer over the cake base. Let's keep building. Gently place the second cake layer on top, then cover it with more of that yummy ganache. Feeling adventurous? A few berries scattered on top would be delicious, but it's your call. You're almost there. Repeat the layering with those remaining cake pieces and ganache. Then, give that top layer a nice smooth finish with more ganache. The best part? Decorating is where you get to shine. Keep it simple, go for fancy, or anything in between. The choice is yours. If you like this video, showing me some love with a thumbs up and subscribe would totally make my day. It keeps me motivated to share more baking adventures. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep baking and creating.